guys, I'm Dana Williams, and since chocolate is my favorite thing in the world, I'm going to make raw cacao balls. You'll only need 3 ingredients. I'm using almonds, cacao powder, and dates, and you'll also need a food processor. You can start by putting 1 cup of almonds in the food processor. Process the almonds until they're all crushed. Next, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of cacao powder and 1 cup of pitted dates. Also, it's really loud, so just prepare yourself for that. And then I'm going to process it again until it's like a paste almost. Okay, now that it's pretty doughy, I am going to take about a tablespoon out at a time and roll them into balls, maybe 2 tablespoons. And now they're ready to eat. And you can store them in the fridge. I really like to eat them cold, but you can eat them in the fridge as well. They're really good. Thanks for watching. Check out what song has been playing throughout this video in the description. Also, let me know what you'd like to learn to cook with me in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel.